Welcome back, everybody. All right, what I got for you today is we're going to be fertilizing my plants with some fish fertilizer. Now, we are here about April, mid-April, and things are starting to flower. I've got my whole garden here, you can see. Now, when things are starting to grow a lot, or you want them to grow, we want to give them some organic materials to help them be vigorous, and fish fertilizer is a very good one. So let me show you that here. This is a very common fertilizer. I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can get this stuff, but it lasts a long time, and it's very good value, and it's part of organic gardening that you probably don't want to leave out. So now you can see here it says 511, so it won't burn. You can use a lot of this for organic gardening, so that's going right along with our show, Organic Gardening, here in California, San Diego. So it has a lot more nitrogen, so we're going to want to not use too much at this time. If you have a lot of blooming now, if we're going to be blooming with a lot of vegetables, you don't want your plants to stretch out and end up being really lengthy. My tomatoes, you can see over here, are already growing up about 9 feet. My planter starts a little higher up, but they're maxed out. I'm here in mid-April, so I don't want to give them too much because, you know, the 5, that means that's a lot of nitrogen. So I want to kind of slow down the growth. But at the same time, the good thing about the fish fertilizer feeds the microbes in the soil. So all the microbes will feed off this, and it says that also in the instructions here, description. So you want to, give them a little bit just to keep everything green and vigorous, but just don't overdo it. So at the beginning, when I was growing my tomatoes or other plants, they're just growing in the growing mode. Give them extra of this. So, and also plants that are in pots like this one here. I have a lot of plants into one. You can see in here. I have, actually in the middle is a lemon tree, 3 peppers that are growing really close to the edge, jalapeno. So I'm in this pot, and when I water, some of the water comes out of the bottom, so I'm losing some of the nutrients. So I want to make sure I give them some of this. Don't want to just go straight water all the time on hot days. Keep these things looking healthy, even though it's still green. Everything's fine. I'm just gonna give everything a little bit of this stuff mixed. You want to do 1 tablespoon per gallon. So let's just go ahead and take this. I already got the. You always want to shake this stuff up real good. So I'm just gonna eyeball this about a tablespoon. You can measure, but now you want to shake that up. There's quite an odor to this, but you don't want to spill it. But there's nothing too bad. But this is really good stuff. I've used this a lot of times on my plant. You can really tell a difference. So I'm gonna just kind of go around. You can kind of see color change. That's about what you want. Just give everything just a dash. I already watered everything, so this is already been watered today. So this is kind of just topping off. So I wouldn't want to do this during the day. All the heat will make it evaporate too quickly. So this is the end of the day. Give this one. So everything's gonna probably get a little more. I'll probably mix a little more, but I just wanted to show you basically what I'm doing. These are these asparagus. You can't really see them. My blackberry plant there, some avocado. So I'll probably fill this up again, but you guys get the idea. So that's how you basically use the fish emulsion, fish fertilizer. It's good stuff. I've used it many times. So that's about it for this video. The sun is going down here in San Diego, and so if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll try to answer your questions. And I will be posting more videos in the future, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't done that already, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.